Good evening, ma'am, and thank you for joining us today at the Outlook Business Spotlight Achievers Awards.
Thank you so much for having me.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you for winning the Global Reach Award. It's a well deserving one.
Thank you.
So, for our audience, I would want that you introduce yourself first and let us know about the work that you have done.
Well, my name is Mrigakshi Shukla, and I have a company called Everyone Play Studios. And my career has spanned about more than 20 years, and I've worked with various international organizations from North America to Europe to Australia. And I think what I have been able to achieve is to be India's voice to the world, because I still feel that there is a bit of a gap between how the world understands India and how we are able to communicate our culture and history and achievements. And I have strived to be a person who can communicate to the world what India is all about, and even South Asia for that matter. And I have been recognized, and I've won many awards for the contribution that I have made with my teams. It's been an amazing experience, and I want to get more and more better at it and really be the bridge between the world and India.
It's so lovely to listen to your thoughts. It's equally inspiring for me. So, I would ask a few more questions to you. How did your background in journalism influence your transition into filmmaking, especially in creating slow, reflective documentaries?
So basically, I started with news, and news is always this quick 2 minute story, and you get a less time to kind of go and meet people and speak to them and really understand them. And I think my curiosity to really understand the people who are unheard, who have a different point of view, who we may not agree with sometimes, and really why are they thinking the way they do, and how do I give them a platform to really speak, was something that I was really interested in. And I think that really began the journey from news and documentaries to really establishing my own company and grooming my peers and my subordinates, and helping them understand how to give voices to the people who don't get a voice. And the experiences that I've had with foreign journalists have really helped me understand how to communicate India's story to the world, South Asia's story to the world, and how to tell the world what is really going on.
I am hoping to see a lot from your side. So, the documentaries you often explore are complex, those complex issues that you are doing. So, how do you approach telling stories that don't have easy answers? And how do you engage audiences in reflecting on these topics?
I think one thing that's very important is when you're telling a story, you have to let the audience pause, and you have to give them space to make up their own mind, to not force what you are thinking about a certain story, but to give everybody a platform to speak, to communicate, to tell their story, to have the space to understand the layers of a story. When you're investigating, to not go and say, you're doing this wrong, or you must change this, but to say, why do you think this way, or why do you think that this is how this should be handled, and really out of curiosity, not out of just trying to balance a story, but out of curiosity, understand where they're coming from, what they have experienced, why they are trying to say what they are trying to say. I think that is a very important part of what I have learned in my career, and what I have now tried to incorporate in my films. And I think a lot of people want to have time to think, to know things said simply, and to really make up their own minds about what the story is about.
Right. That's some lovely points that you have made. Last but not the least, I would like to ask you, how do you feel receiving the award for Outlook Business Spotlight Achievers Award, and how do you think it reflects the work that you have done in your career so far?
I mean, my family, my friends, the people I've looked up to, we've all read the Outlook magazine. We've all had our foundations and, really our opinions and our understanding of things, not only from the big stories, but from, the Indian states where we didn't know much, come from this magazine, come from this organization. And, for them to turn around and say, "You're doing a good job," is amazing. Like, it is a beautiful full circle for me. I can't tell you how proud I am and how lucky I feel that I have been chosen.
I'm so glad to hear these words from you, and I thank you once again for being here with us, joining us here at the awards, and I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.